After 5 years, my Xbox power supply also encountered red light problem and shut down several times during my online FIFA Ultimate Team game. The red light and shutdown was caused by the malfunctions of the ventilation fan. The power supply was very hot when it shut down. You can Google and find many people with the same problem. I decided to use my available ventilation fan at home to replace it, instead of sourcing for the original types of fan. First of all, the top cover of the power supply must be removed. First, we remove the 4 rubber plugs. There are 4 Torx screws underneath them. In order to remove the 4 Torx screws, you must use the T10 Torx screwdriver. You can get a Torx screwdriver set from any hardware store. After that, you can open up the top cover. But please remove the 230 volt power supply from the wall socket first. Work safely, don't get electrocuted. Now you can see the power supply open up. The cable connect from the top cover to the circuit board is a ventilation fan power supply. Just pull the cable out. Then also remove the ventilation fan from the top cover. Also remove the 2 air ducts. They are used to direct the hot air out to the 4 ventilation holes at the 4 corners. But since I am going to use an external ventilation fan, I don't need these 2 air ducts anymore. To use external ventilation fan to suck the hot air out, I drill as many holes on the top cover as possible. I also dismantled a group of 3 ventilation fans from an unused laptop cooler. I mount them to the top cover with double-side tapes and plug the USB to the Xbox360 USB. Now I have no more red light problems, and the power supply remains cool after a few games. But the only problems, I need to off the main switch or unplug the USB. Otherwise, even when the console is turned off, the fan will still run.